Hi, this is Carl Anderson alongside Larry Carson with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. And today we're going to take you through a new boat we have available from Sea Ray. This is a 280 SLX. Starting off at the transom here, got a nice full walk-through transom with the gray sea-deck flooring throughout the boat. Great storage on the port side of the aft-facing seat that goes all the way forward into the cockpit. Got our bow shade kit stowed in there. More storage underneath this aft portion of the seat. Got cup holders, charging ports, stereo remote, nice tall backrest. This is the stone colored interior. As we enter the cockpit, we've got a little cooler box storage area, along with a freshwater sprayer and a battery charger outlet. L-shaped seating in the cockpit to the port side, with opposing seating to the starboard side, with more storage beneath. That's drained. Got a glove box style storage just forward of that, with cup holders and an induction charging station for your phones. More storage continued on the port side beneath both of these cushions, and then access to the boat's bilge is beneath this aft portion here, with the touch of a release of a latch there. Currently have a lot of stuff stowed for our sea trial today. That's how you access another storage locker and the boat's bilge area. Coming up to the helm, it's got twin Simrad touchscreen units, really well appointed dash, Fusion Bluetooth sound system throughout the boat. The boat has LED indicators for the trim tabs, auto trim, digital throttle and shift, of course, joystick with skyhook and autopilot, another charging station back here, and then some plug-ins for charging with traditional cords. The boat has a really nice head area, porcelain toilet, and a freshwater sink, overhead lighting, and a stainless steel grab handle. Also got a glove box, keep wallets and keys, and this door has a nice magnetic catch on it. Really nice helm seats with a double wide seat and flip-up bolster. We've also got an observer seat with another flip-up bolster as well. Curved stainless steel windshield. Panning up to the power tower, we've got a canvas top that can raise and lower with the push of a button. It's great if you've got a bridge clearance constraint or storage constraints. You need a little less height. This boat also has built into the tower an aft extending sunshade, which just releases and slides out here. And then this boat has the bow sunshade already installed. That clips up to those eyelets, and stanchions drop into the bow. Really luxurious seating up here, up front. Again, check out the upholstery. Super comfortable, really sharp looking. Armrests that fold down. You got storage beneath this port side, and a large storage locker on the starboard side that continues further back beneath the helm. You got a bow filler cushion with a platform, which you see here, and bow and cockpit tables in a teak finish. Windlass anchor up front, along with the stanchions for that bow shade kit that you see there, and a freshwater sprayer. Step out of the boat. This boat is in the horizon gray color with a black boot stripe. Stone interior, as I mentioned. White Mercury Verados, 250 horsepower. This is the V8 platform. 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engines. The performance on this boat is Really impressive, guys. Super quick planing speed. Goes over 50 miles per hour. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.